Install the image of such Mrityunjay Mahadev at your Bhrumadhya. Offer pranam to him and take the sankalpa of health, harmony, happiness. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, let us invoke Surya Narayana, the symbol of energy, vitality, and prana, the very essence of life. Install him at your Bhrumadhya. Offer pranam to him and take the sankalpa of increased creativity, improved capabilities, higher wisdom, and a better discrimination. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Gayatri mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति Shanti Shantihi. Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, let us invoke Ma Durga. She is Durgati Nashini. She is Kala Vinashini. She is Uma. She is Rama. She is Brahmani. She is Shakti manifest. Invite her and install her in your heart center. Offer pranam to her and take the sankalpa of removal of difficulties, distresses, hardships, and despairs, and to replace them with hope, enthusiasm, energy, focus, dedication, hard work, perseverance, and contentment. With this Sankalpa, we shall chant the Durga Dvatarinchan Namamala, the 32 names of Ma Durga, 3 times all together. Om Durga Durgartishamani Durga Padvinivarini Durga Machedini Durga Sadhini Durga Nashini Durgato Dharini Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durga Madnyanada Durga Daityaloka Davanala Durgama Loka Durgamatmasvarupini दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ॐ दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ॐ दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमालोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ॐ ॐ ॐ Keeping your eyes closed. Experience the manifestation of the sankalpas we have taken. Hari Om Tat Sat. Next, let us get ready to invoke Prabhu Shri Ram, Devi Ma Janaki, Lakshman ji, Bharat ji, Shatrughna ji, and Pavan Putra Hanuman ji to our heart center. We shall offer to them the story of the Lord as described to us by Goswami Tulsidas ji. So invite the Shri Ram Darbar to your heart. Give them places of honor here. Invite and invoke Goswami Tulsidas ji so that he may bless us with the stories of the Lord. Now, we shall be chanting dohas from the Shri Ramcharitmanas from Doha 222, after Doha 222 till 227. As we begin the chanting of the Ayodhya Kand, let us first invite and give a place of honor to Hanumanji, because wherever there is Ram Katha, Hanumanji comes. राम कथा के रसिक तुम, बुद्धिरासि मति धीर, आइए सुआसन लीजिए, तेज पुंज कपिवीर, सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम। मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रवहु सो दशरथ अजिर विहारी, सिया राम मय सब जग जानी, करहु प्रणाम जोरि जुग पानी, भायप भगति भरत आचरनु, कहत सुनत दुख दूषण हरनु, जो किछु कहब थोर सखी सोई, राम बंधु अस काहे न होई, हम सब सानुज भरत ही देखे, भई न धन्य जुबती जन लेखे, सुनि गुण देखि दशा पछिताहि, कैके जननी जोगु सुत नाही, को कह दूषण रानी नाहिन, विधि सब कीन्ह हमहि जो दाहिन, कहाँ हम लोक वेद विधिहीनी, लघुतिय कुल कर तूति मलीनी, बसहि कुदेश कुगाव कुबामा, कहाँ यह दर सुपुण्य परिणामा, अस अनंदु अचिरज प्रतिग्रामा, जनु मरि भूमि कलपतरु जामा। भरत दरसु देखत खुलेऊ, मगलोगन कर भागु, जनु सिंह लबासिन भयऊ, विधि बस सुलभ प्रयागु, निज गुण सहित राम गुण गाथा, सुनत जाहि सुमिरत रघुनाथा, तीरथ मुनि आश्रम सुर धामा, निरखि निमज्जहि करहि प्रणामा, मन ही मन मागहि बरु एहु, सिय राम पद पदुम सनेहु, मिलहि किरात कोल बनवासी, बैखानस बटु जति उदासी, करि प्रणाम पूछहि जेहि तेहि, केहि बन लखन राम भय देहि, ते प्रभु समाचार सब कहहि, भरतहि देखि जन्म फल लहहि। जे जन कहहि कुशल हम देखे, ते प्रिय राम लखन सम लेखे। एहि विधि बूझत सबहि सुबानी, सुनत राम बनपास कहानी। तेहि बासर बसी प्रातहि, चले सुमिरि रघुनाथ। राम दरस की लालसा, भरत सरिस सब साथ। मंगल सगुन होहि सब काहू, फरकहि सुखद बिलोचन बाहु। भरतहि सहित समाज उछाहु, मिलिहहि राम मिटिहि दुख दाहु। करत मनोरथ जस जिय जाके, जाहि सनेह सुरा सब छाके। शिथिल अंग पग मग डगि डोलहि, बिहबल बचन प्रेम बस बोलहि। राम सखा तेहि समय दिखावा, शैल शिरोमणि सहज सुहावा। जासु समीप सरित पय तीरा, सिय समेत बसहि दो उबीरा। देखि करहि सब दंड प्रणामा, कहि जय जानकी जीवन रामा। प्रेम मगन अस राज समाजु, जनु फिरि अवध चले रघुराजु। भरत प्रेम तेहि समय जस, तस कहि सक इन शेषु। कबहि अगम जिमि ब्रह्म सुखु, अहम मलिन जनेषु। सकल सनेह शिथिल रघुबर के, गए कोस दुई दिन कर ढर के। जलु थलु देखि बसे निसि बीते, कीन्ह गवन रघुनाथ पीरीते। जहाँ उहाँ राम रजनी अवशेषा, जागे सिय सपन अस देखा। सहित समाज भरत जनु आए, नाथ वियोग तापतन ताए। सकल मलिन मन दीन दुखारी, देखी सासु आन अनुहारी। सुनि सिय सपन भरे जल लोचन, भये सोच बस सोच विमोचन। लखन सपन यह नीक न होई, कठिन कुचाह सुनाई कोई। अस कहि बंधु समेत नहाने, पूजि पुरारी साधु सन माने। सनमानि सुर मुनि बंदी बैठे, उतर दिशि देखत भये। नभ धूरि खग मृग भूरि भागे, बिकल प्रभु आश्रम गए। तुलसी उठे अवलोकि कारनु, काह चित सचकित रहे। सब समाचार की रात कोलनि, आई तेहि अवसर कहे। सुनत सुमंगल बैन, मन प्रमोद तन पुलक भर। सरद सरोरुह नैन, तुलसी भरे सनेह जल। बहुरी सोच बस भेसिय रवनु, कारण कवन भरत आगवनु। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, एक आई अस कहा बहोरी। सेन संग चतुरंगन थोरी, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। सो सुनि राम ही भा अति सोचु, इत पितु बच इत बंधु सकोचु। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, भरत सुभाउ समुझि मन माहि। प्रभु चित हित थिति पावत नाही, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। समाधान तब भायः जाने, भरतु कहे महु साधु सयाने। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, लखन लखे प्रभु हृदय खबारू। कहत समय समनीति विचारु, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। बिनु पूछे कछु कहउँ गोसाई, सेवक समय न ढीठ ढिठाई। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, तुम सर्वज्ञ शिरोमणि स्वामी। आपनि समुझि कहूँ अनुगामी, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। नाथ सुहृद सुठि सकल चित, सील सनेह निधान, सब पर प्रीति प्रतीति जिय, जानिय आपु समान। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम। बार बार बर मागहूँ, हरषि देहु श्री रंग, पद सरोज अन पायनी, भगति सदा सतसंग। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम। श्री राम स्तुति। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम, नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम, कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नव नील नीरज सुंदरम, पटपीतमानहु तडित रुचि शुचि नामि जनक सुतावरम, भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम, रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम, सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदारु अंग विभूषणम, आजानुभुज सर चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दूषणम, इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेषमुनि मनरंजनम, मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादि खल दल गंजनम, श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम, नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम। Shri Ram. Keeping your eyes closed. Experience the glory of Shri Ram. Shri Ramji has been staying very peacefully, happily in the forest, meets different sages, sadhus, sannyasis, and that is the life which he loves. Not for him the pomp and show of the palaces. And he is in great joy. All the three of them are living beautifully. On the other hand, Bharat is tormented. He said, how can I ever dream of becoming a king when my elder brother Sri Ram, the doyen of our family, is right here? No, I will not accept it. That is how our Shraddha has to be towards our goal. First of all, we have to learn what our goal should be. Focusing on our goal is important. But if we focus on the wrong goal, everything negative starts happening. Queen Keikei also had a goal, and she was one pointed in her goal. But what did she achieve? Nothing. All sorrows, pain, defamation, everything negative. Because the goal she had set for herself was not appropriate. Instead of wasting time on blaming Kaikeyi, we as sadhaks should realize the importance of choosing the correct goal. Bharat, on the other hand, pure by heart, no chance that anybody can in any manner influence him. He knows he is the devotee of his Lord, and that's it. And that is the dharma which has to be followed. And therefore, everybody followed him. He walks barefoot, the king walking barefoot. And this is how women around the villages where they walk have been discussing. Oh, what has Kaikeyi done? Oh, this is not good, etc., etc. However, some others say, my dear, in a way it was a very good thing. How? If it were not for this, we would never have the chance to see Sri Ram, nor would we have the chance to see somebody as great as Bharat. Sri Ram is God himself, divinity. But Bharat, we can adore because we can identify with the normalcy, the ordinarity of Bharat. And if he can focus so much, so can we. And these are people who have been doing lots of sadhana. And when we, without stepping out of our dilapidated villages, can have their darshan, what greater benefit is it for us? Maybe for Ayodhya, what Kaikai did was not good. But for us, oh my God, this is such a great thing. We are really blessed because we have not one but two divinities coming to us and allowing us to have their darshan. We are indeed blessed. Such was a talk which is going around. Bharat and Shatrughna, they are completely oblivious of this. Their only aim is to reach Sri Ram, fall at his feet, humbly request him not to cast them away, and then request them that Sri Ram comes and adorns the throne. Because without a king, the kingdom will go to bad phase. Not for a moment does he think that, oh, I can be the king. It doesn't even touch his heart. Such is the purity. And that purity is spreading all throughout. Everybody feels this. All the sadhus, sannyasins staying in the forests, they come to know the purity of intent. And they bless Bharat as he passes by. Wherever there is an option, he always goes, does pranam. And every place there's only one and one prayer. Let us learn this one pointedness from Bharat. Humility, focus, one pointedness. Bhakta Shiromani Bharat. And now, on the other hand, slowly and slowly, they are reaching that place. And suddenly, everybody starts feeling joy in their heart. Auspicious moments start happening. They look around and say, "What's happening?" Nishadaraj shows Bharat, "Look, you see that hillock up there? That is where Sri Ram himself resides. We are now in vicinity of Sri Ram, and that is why everybody is feeling so uplifted." It was night, so they decide to rest. But on the other hand, Sita ji is having a very disturbing dream. She wakes up Sri Ram and says, "Ramji, I am having a very bad dream. Something is not right." She said, "What happened?" He said that I saw Bharat, Shatrughna walking barefoot, coming here. I saw the queens. Everybody is extremely sad. The queens are not in their regal garments. I don't know what's happening. Something is not right. Ramji was aware what's happening, but he says, "Yes, Bharat, Lakshman, something's not right. I think we are going to get some bad news soon." They get up early in the morning. They do the puja of Shiva, the destroyer of difficulties. And soon, the tribals, the villagers, the forest dwellers keep coming one after the other. "Ramji, Ramji." "Yes, what's the matter?" "There's a big army coming." Somebody says, "Oh, Bharatji is coming." Somebody says, "There is a huge army with horses and elephants and men. I mean, it's huge." And Ramji also sees there's a lot of dust and the birds are chirping. Something is big is coming. What's the matter? And Ramji feels extremely upset. Now what do I do? Bharat is coming to call me. And I have given a word to my father. I will be in the forest. I won't be in the cities for 14 years. Now what do I do? And he is extremely upset. Please note, he is not upset that Bharat is coming with the army. He knows Bharat. He knows there's only one reason why Bharat is coming. But he's in a dilemma. How can I say no to Bharat? After all, he's my favorite. I never say no to him. But now I can't say yes to him either. What to do? But then he says, Bharat is obedient. He will listen to me. These were thoughts going on Sri Ram's mind. However, Lakshmanji, the practical one, he says, "Sri Ram, if you don't mind, I have some observations to place before you." Such is the discussion which is going on. And it is at this point that we take a pause for the day, spend a few moments connecting to the purity of Bharatji and the divinity of Sri Ram. As the Katha comes to a close, let us pay our respects to the dignitaries who are getting ready to make a move. कथा विसर्जन होता है, सुनहु वीर हनुमान। जो जन जहाँ से आई हों, तह तह कर उपयान। बाजा बाजत गृह गए, भरद्वाज के द्वार। सब देवता आश्रम गए, शंभु गए कैलाश। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम. Now let us move into the Ashwin Navratri Anushtan proper, dedicated to Devi Ma. One form of Ma is Sita, who is not doing anything but getting everything done. But there is another form of Ma where things have gone too far and others are unable to take care. That is the time she shows her Prachanda Swarupa. And it is this Prachanda Swarupa which is needed to destroy the demons. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. The Shadvikar. These are the demons staying in our hearts, pushing us away from the path of self upliftment. And we are totally helpless, unable to break free from their stranglehold. It is only Ma, with her infinite compassion and divine strength, who can defeat these demons for us. And we need to connect to her as innocently like a child. For some time, forget all your upadhis. I am so and so, from such and such, doing this and that and that. No, I am as an innocent child in the lap of my mother, the divine mother. And it is this relation, this connection that we have to establish. And it is with this that we should take the sankalpa for the day. We shall begin with the chanting of the verses of Saundarya Lahari. Bring to your mind the image of Tripura Sundari Parabhattarika Mahasamradni Saundarya Lahari. And she has been described by none other than Adi Guru, Bhagavad Pad, Bhagwan Bhashyakar, Adi Shankara himself. Let us offer pranam at his lotus feet, that he may grant us strength to undertake this aradhana. Those of you who are able to should sit in Vajrasan and bring your hands in Avahaniya Mudra. Those who are unable to can sit in any other posture. In Avahaniya Mudra, we place the palms in front of us. The thumbs come at the base of the ring finger. The palms are in front of us, invoking the grace Avahanam. meditate on the form of Jagat Janani, Ma Parabhattarika Mahasamradni with the Bija mantra Om Aim Om Hrim Om Shrim Om Krim त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा त्वदीयं सौन्दर्यं तुहिनगिरिकन्ये तुलयितुं कवीन्द्राकल्पन्ते कथमपि विरिञ्चे प्रभृतय यदालोक्योत्सुक्यात् अमरललनायान्ति मनसा तपोभिर्दुष्प्रापामपि गिरिशसायुज्य पदवीम् नरं वर्षीयांसं नयनविरसं नर्मसुजडं तवापाङ्गालोके पतितमनुधावन्ति शतश गलद्वेणीबन्धा कुचकलशविस्रस्तसिचया हठात् त्रुट्यत्काञ्च्यो विगलितदुकूला क्षितौ षट्पञ्चाशत् द्विसमधिकपञ्चाशदुदके हुताशे द्वाषष्टिः चतुरधिकपञ्चाशदनिले दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशन् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरिति ये मयूखास्तेषामपि उपरि तव पादाम्बुजयुगम् शरज्योत्स्ना शुभ्राम् शशियुतजटाजूटमुकुटाम् वरत्रासत्राण स्फटिकघटिकापुस्तककराम् सकृन्नत्वां नत्वा कथमिव सतां सन्निदधते मधुक्षीरद्राक्षा मधुरिमधुरीणा भणितय कवीन्द्राणां चेत कमलवनबालातपरुचिं भजन्ते ये सन्त कतिचिदरुणामेव भवतीं विरिञ्चि प्रियस्यास्तरलसरशृङ्गारलहरी गभीराभिर्वाग्भिर्विदधति सभारञ्जनममी सवितृभिर्वाचां शशिमणिशिलाभङ्गरुचिभिः वशिन्याद्याभिस्त्वां सह जननि सञ्चिन्तयति सकर्ता काव्यानां भवति महतां भङ्गिसुभगैः वचोभिर्वाग्देवी वदनकमलामोदमधुरैः तनुच्छायाभिस्ते तरुणतरणिश्रीसरणिभिः दिवं सर्वामुर्वीमरुणिमनिमग्नां स्मरति भवन्त्यस्यत्रस्य वनहरिणशालीननयना सहोर्वश्यावश्या कति कति न गीर्वाणगणिका मुखं बिन्दुं कृत्वा कुचयुगमधस्तस्य तदधो हकारार्धं ध्यायेद्धरमहिषिते मन्मथकलाम् स सद्यः संक्षोभम् नयति वनिता इत्यतिलघु त्रिलोकीमप्याशु भ्रमयति रवीन्दुस्तनयुगाम् किरन्तीमङ्गेभ्यः किरणनिकुरुम्बामृतरसम् हृदि त्वामाधत्ते हिमकरशिलामूर्तिमिव ससर्पाणाम् दर्पम् शमयति शकुन्ताधिप इव ज्वरप्लुष्टान् दृष्ट्या सुखयति सुधासारसिरया तटिल्लेखातन्वीं तपनशशिवैश्वानरमयीं निषण्णां षण्णामपि उपरि कमलानां तव कलाम् महापद्माटव्यां मृदितमलमायेन मनसा महान्तः पश्यन्तो दधति परमाह्लादलहरीम् भवानी त्वं दासे मयि वितरदृष्टिं सकरुणाम् इति स्तोतुं वाञ्छन् कथयति भवानी त्वमिति तदैव त्वं तस्मै दिशसि निजसायुज्य पदवीम् मुकुन्द ब्रह्मेन्द्र स्फुटमुकुटनीराजितपदाम् त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा नमस्ते नमस्ते विभो विश्वमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते चिदानन्दमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते तपोयोगगम्य नमस्ते नमस्ते श्रुतिज्ञानगम्य Keeping your eyes closed, meditate on the divine form of Ma. Now we shall try and connect with the Trigunatmika form of Devi, the Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Swarupini Ma. We shall begin with the chanting of the Siddha Kunjika Stotram. शिव उवाच शृणु देवि प्रवक्ष्यामि कुञ्जिकास्तोत्रमुत्तमम् येन मन्त्रप्रभावेण चण्डीजापशुभो भवेत् न कवचम् नार्गलास्तोत्रम् कीलकम् न रहस्यकम् न सूक्तम् नापि ध्यानम् च न न्यासो न च वार्चनम् अतिगुह्यतरम् देवी देवानामपि दुर्लभम् गोपनीयम् प्रयत्नेन स्वायोनिरिव पार्वती मारणम् मोहनम् वश्यम् स्तम्भनोच्चाटनादिकम् पाठमात्रेण संसिद्ध्येत कुञ्जिकास्तोत्रमुत्तमम् ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ग्लौं हुं क्लीं जूं सः ज्वालय ज्वालय ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ज्वल ॐ सं लं क्षं फट् स्वाहा ॐ नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिण्यै नमस्ते मधुमर्दिनि नमः कैटभहारिण्यै नमस्ते महिषार्दिनि नमस्ते शुम्भहन्त्र्यै च निःशुम्भासुरघातिनि जाग्रतं हि महादेवी जपं सिद्धं कुरुष्व मे ऐङ्कारी सृष्टिरूपायै ह्रीङ्कारी प्रतिपालिका क्लीङ्कारी कामरूपिण्यै बीजरूपे नमोऽस्तु ते चामुण्डा चण्डघाती च यैकारी वरदायिनी विच्चे चाभयदा नित्यम् नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी धां धीं धूं धूर्जटे पत्नीं वां वीं वूं वागधीश्वरी क्रां क्रीं क्रूं कालिका देवी शां शीं शुं मे शुभं कुरु हुं हुं हुंकाररूपिण्यै जं 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 जम्भनादिनि भ्रां भ्रीं भ्रूं भैरवी भद्रे भवान्यै ते नमो नमः अं कं चं टं तं पं यं शं वीं दूं ऐं वीं हं शं धिजाग्रं त्रोटय त्रोटय दीप्तं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा पां पीं पुं पार्वती पूर्णा खां खीं खुं खेचरी तथा सां सीं सुं सप्तशती देव्या मन्त्रसिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे इदं तु कुञ्चिका स्तोत्रम् मन्त्रजागर्ति हेतवे अभक्तेनैव दातव्यम् गोपितं रक्ष पार्वती यस्तु कुञ्जिकया देवी हीनां सप्तशतीं पठेत न तस्य जायते सिद्धिररण्ये रोदनं यथा ॐ इति श्रीरुद्रयामले गौरीतन्त्रे शिवपार्वती संवादे सिद्धकुञ्जिकास्तोत्रम् सम्पूर्णम् With this, we have prepared the ground. Now, let us meditate on the form of Ma. Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Swarupini. Meditate on the form of Ma Mahakali as I chant the Dhyana mantra for her. Om खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिघां शूलं भुशुण्डिं शिरः शङ्खं सन्दधतीं करैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृताम् नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकाम् यामस्तौच्छयिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम् ॐ महालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी मां महालक्ष्मी ध्यानम् ॐ अक्षस्रक्परशुगदेशकुलिशम् पद्मं धनुः कुण्डिकाम् दण्डं शक्तिमसिं चचर्म जलजम् घण्टां सुराभाजनम् शूलं पाशसुदर्शने च दधतीं हस्तैः प्रवालप्रभाम् सेवे सैरिभमर्दिनीमिह महा लक्ष्मीं सुरौजो भवाम् ॐ महासरस्वती ध्यानम् ॐ घण्टाशूलहलानि शङ्खमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकम् हस्ताब्जैर्दधतीं घनान्तविलसत् शीतांशुतुल्यप्रभाम् गौरीदेहसमुद्भवां त्रिजगताम् आधारभूतां महा पूर्वामत्र सरस्वतीमनुभजे शुम्भादिदैत्यार्दिनीम् ॐ Manas Puja. Mentally offer prayers to Ma. Om Shri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswatibhyo Namaha. Om Lam Prithvivyatmakam Gandham Haridra Kumkumam Chakalpayami. Shri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswatibhyo Namaha. Om Ham Akashatmakam Pushpam Kalpayami. Shri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswatibhyo Namaha. Om Yam Vayavyatmakam Dhupam Kalpayami. Shri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswatibhyo Namaha. Om Ram Agnyatmakam Deepam Kalpayami. श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः ओम वम अमृतात्मकं नैवेद्यं कल्पयामि श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः ओम सं सर्वात्मकं सर्वोपचार पूजां संकल्पयामि नमः Now, having meditated on the form of Ma and invited here, let us chant the Saptashloki Durga, the representative of the entire Durga Saptashati. For a few moments, remain in connection with Ma. And now let us begin. Gently open your eyes and begin the chanting. Shiva Uvacha Devi Tvam Bhakta Sulabhe Sarvakarya Vidhayini Kalau hi karya siddhyartham upayam bruhi yatnataha Divya Uvacha Shrunudeva Pravakshyami Kalau sarveshta sadhanam Maya tavaiva snehena Apyam vastuti prakashyate ॐ अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दांसि श्रीमहाकाली महालक्ष्मी महारस्सरस्वत्यो देवताः श्रीदुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गापाठे विनियोगः। ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तो स्वस्ति स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि। दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं शरणागतदीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं रोगानशेषान् पहंसि तुष्टा हृष्टा तु कामान् सकलान् भीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वबाधाप्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम्। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ॐ दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी सम्पूर्णा। We have chanted the glories of Ma, the destroyer of demons, and the re-establisher of auspiciousness. And as we connect to this form of Ma, our hearts spontaneously burst forth in the stuti of Ma, the Tantroktam Devi Suktam. नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मताम्। रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः। कल्याण्यै प्रणतां वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः। नैऋत्यै भूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै शर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः। दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः। अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतस्तस्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतनेत्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्त्यै दिव्यै नमो नमः। चितिरूपेण या कृत्स्नम् एतद्व्याप्य स्थितां जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रयात् तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदः। या साम्प्रतं चोद्धतदैत्यतापितैः अस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः। जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे शिव दुर्गे अम्बे मात की जय। अटल छत्र की जय। साके दरबार की जय। जंगल में मंगल करने वाली मैया की जय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। Your eyes gently closed. Eyes turned inwards. Allow the vibrations of the mantra chanting to settle within and observe the images coming up in our mind. We are in the first triad of the Navratri, the period of Mahakali. And yesterday we saw how the demons are surrounding us. Bhagwan Vishnu is lying in Shesha Shayya in Yoga Nidra, completely enveloped by the Nidra. Devi in her Nidra Swarup has covered Vishnu. From his navel has arisen the lotus, and from this has come forth Brahmaji. He doesn't know how to do, what to do. And as he tries to find his source, he finds the Nabhi Kamal Vishnu lying below. He asks, what do I do? He says, meditate on Devi. And as he meditates, he finds before he starts the demons Madhu and Kaitabha are approaching him, wanting to destroy him. He doesn't know what to do. He is not fit to fight. He has nobody else who can fight for him. He has Vishnu, but he is in the influence of Devi's tamas nidra. What to do? What to do? What to do? He remembers, oh, Vishnu Dev has asked me to meditate on Devi. And with great humility, he prays to Devi, the Mahakali Swarupa. She blesses Brahmaji and says, what do you want, my son? He says, look, all these demons, they are coming to attack me. I don't know what to do. And I need Vishnu to fight for me. But he is lying in Nidra. Can you please remove that veil so that he may arise? She smiles and says, Tathastu. If that's what you want, that's what you get. She removes the veil from Mahavishnu. He awakens and sees, oh, there are those demons. And he gets ready to fight. And fight he does for thousands of years. They're so powerful and they are twice his number. One fights, the other rests. The other fights, first rests. But Vishnu is all alone. He has to keep fighting and fighting and fighting. Oh, what to do? What to do? That is our position. Surrounded by the demons. Desire, hope, ambitions, aspirations, and so on. When the divinity in us pushes back one demon, the other comes up, and the third, and the fourth. Oh, what to do? For a few moments, become aware of the agitations, the thoughts, the hopes, the ambitions, the anger, the fears, the negativities, all of them arising within, creating ripples in the mind. Try and become aware of your mind for some time. Try and remain aware of the witness principle. Thoughts are coming up in the mind, and you are aware you are thinking. Thoughts may lead to emotions. You are experiencing the emotions, the negativities, the positivities, the hopes, the ambitions, the aspirations, the fears, the angers, the depressions, and you are aware you are experiencing the emotion. Memories might pop up, and you might get completely immersed in the memory, yet you remain aware you are experiencing a memory, reliving it. For a few moments, become aware of the mind, the thoughts, the memories, the emotions, the interplay. Sometimes multiple thoughts coming in, sometimes linear thoughts, one leading to the next. Do not stop them. Maybe good thoughts, maybe bad thoughts, silly thoughts, nasty thoughts, any of them. Let them come, but keep on observing. The moment you become aware of these thoughts, for a few moments, they might suddenly hide away. That's okay. At that time, remain aware of your breath. And when thoughts come up, become aware of them too. Allow full, full freedom to your mind. It can think, it can hope, it can fear, whatever, anything is okay now. Keep on observing whatever is being projected on the inner screen, but remain aware of the witness principle. I am thinking and I am aware I am thinking. I am experiencing an emotion. I am aware I am experiencing an emotion. I am reliving a memory and I am aware I am experiencing a memory. Drashta bhav. You are involved, yet you are separate. The duality. And now, gently yet firmly, Allow the thoughts, emotions, memories to fade away. Become aware of the stillness of the mind. Become aware of the Vishnu Tattva within us, getting ready to fight, to destroy all these demons. Experience His presence. Experience the presence of Devi. If any thoughts, memories, emotions come up, tell them, not now. I shall attend to you later. Now, remain aware of this, the divine tattva within us. Feel the energy, feel the prakash, light, feel the joy coursing through us, filling us. Experience the grace of Devi, removing the veil of tamas, andhakar, and maintaining your awareness on this. Slowly get ready to conclude the practice. Become aware of the body, the posture of the body, the contact points between the body and the floor, body and the backrest or the wall, body and the clothes, body and the breeze, body and the breath. Become aware of the sounds and smells. With your eyes closed, become aware of objects around you. Become aware of the situations and circumstances. And experience that the divine nature of Ma, which is within us, is spreading outwards too, radiating, creating a kavacham around us, protecting us from the negativities, so that the sapling of divinity can grow within us. And maintaining your awareness on this experience, we shall conclude with Om and Shanti Path. Inhale deeply. Om. Om. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Hands in pranam mudra. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव हरिः ओम. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Gently rub your palms against each other. Place them on the closed eyes. Experience the warmth radiating from your palms to your eyes, to your brain, to the whole body. And then gently move the palms away. Open your eyes. Hari Om. Tat Sat.
नमो नारायण
Namo
स्वामी जी
Narayan. Jai Ho.
नमो नारायण स्वामी जी
Namo Narayan.
नमो नारायण
स्वामी जी नमो नारायण स्वामी जी
So, Namo Narayan Ji.
नमो नारायण
Yesterday we had tried to become aware of these demons and how they are pushing us. Today we have to deepen that awareness, but along with that, become aware of the kavacham which is being formed around us and the divine tattva activating within us. It is this divine tattva will defeat. The defeat has not yet taken place. There's still miles and miles to go before the target is achieved. But the war has begun. And while the war rages, it is also essential to protect the divinity within us so that it doesn't get trampled upon, because it's still just budding up, so very tender and vulnerable. When it takes the form of a huge banyan tree, then it doesn't need any protection. But at this point, protection is needed. So we need to create a kavach around us. Remain aware of our negativities, our positivities, our hopes, our desires, all the agitations of the mind. And as that happens, remain aware of the grace of Devi removing the veil of tamas so that the divinity can activate and destroy the negativities. They are a different form of positivities. Madhu and Kaitab, where did they arise? From the muck, from Bhagwan Vishnu's ear. So in a way, they have a divine origin too. But when something which is apparently divine goes in the wrong direction, it creates the asuras, the danavas. So that is what we have to understand. We might start off with a good idea, but end up somewhere wrong because it is the negativity which is coming up. It is malatyag which should be done. But if we catch on to the mala, then things will be difficult. So these are awareness points which need to come in our hearts. Then slowly and slowly we will start becoming aware of ways to go beyond them. At this point of time, the Vishnu within us is fighting hard, but it fights with one, the other is resting. When that one is tired, this one starts attacking. So he is surrounded and he knows not what to do. We were in terrible shape Nobody, helpless, vulnerable. So we prayed to Devi, and she came and said, okay, you want Vishnu to start fighting for you? Okay, that's what I will give you. And now Vishnu is fighting, but it seems that odds are against him. 2:1. What to do? For today, try and remain aware of this aspect which happens within us. And that should be the homework for today. And we shall meet once again tomorrow, continuing on our journey of the 9 nights, Navaratri, negativity, andhakar, tamas. And then at the end, we have the Vijaya Dashmi. Hari Om Tat Sat, Namo Narayan, Jai Ho.
नमो नारायण स्वामी जी।
Namo Narayan.